Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstrations of our project MEDIQUEUE. This project is developed by Sandaru Anuththara from GDSE71 batch, Panadura branch. This project is designed to improve the hospital and clinic appointment process. It helps patients to register online, manage their appointments and reduce waiting time, and also patients have the message about the current token number at the same time. It helps administrators to manage hospitals, clinics, doctors, patients and queue more efficiently. Let's go step by step and see how my systems work. And then first of all, let's look at the what is on the home page. On the home page, we can see a clean and simple design with the project name MEDIQUEUE display at the top. There are navigation links such as features, about us, login and sign up. The main purpose of this page is to give to users a clear idea of what the system does. If the new users click on the create new accounts button, they will be redirected to the sign up page. On this sign up page, new users can create their account. They need to provide first name and the last name, phone number and email, birthday and gender, username and the password. There is also confirm password fields to make sure the password is correct. After filling this form, the systems create a new account for the user. In the login page, users who already have an account, they can log in here by entering their username and password. Once they log in, they will be taken to the patient dashboard, which is the main part of the systems of the patients. The patient dashboard is the central place for all patient activities. Here, the users can select their preferred language such as Sinhala, English or Tamil. In the profile sections, users can update their profile's details such as photo, full name and the email address. In the security part, users can enter the current password and change their password as a new password. And notification sections, choose who they want to receive a notification either by email or SMS. And also, users can choose the hospital and clinic they want to visit. This makes the system easy to use different types of users. One of the main features of the patient dashboard is a register token. The user click the button, a pop-up from there appears. Process is simple. First, the users enter their phone number, the system check this and automatically fill in the details. Then the patient selects the doctor, clinics and the date. And also they can write the reason for the visit. The confirmation step, all features are automatically filled by the system. After confirming and clicking the confirm register button, the system generates a new token. On the dashboard, the patient can see their current token number, estimated waiting time, number of patients in the queue. This helps patients know exactly when to visit the clinic. Not only that, users can also manage their tokens. The system shows their token number and status. A QR code is generated for the easier verifications. Patients can cancel their tokens if they cannot attend, and also they can request help through this feature. Not only that, patients can also see their past appointments. Details include with the doctor they visited, which clinic and the date of the appointment. And another important feature is medical records. Here patients can see medical records added by doctors or admins related to their health condition. This gives them a complete history of their treatments. There is also a message section. Admin can send message directly to patients. If the patient is not logged in, the system automatically sends an SMS through the Twilio API when a token is generated or when it is their turn. This ensures patients do not miss their appointments. There are the main facilities available to a patient in this system. Now that we have seen the patient side, let's look at the admin dashboard. First of all, let's log an admin into the system. On the admin dashboard, the admins can see number of total hospitals, number of active clinics, and the number of staff members, and finally number of tokens today. Admins can also update their profile details. However, they cannot change their role because that is fixed in the system. First up in the admin dashboard is the hospital management section. Here, admins can add a new hospital to the system. We have integrated the use of the location API like location.iq to search for and add hospital to the database. Once added, admins have full control to update details such as the clinic count within a hospital, its status, and even delete hospital in the necessary. This keeps the hospital directly accurate and up to date. In the clinic management, admins can add the new clinics under the selected hospitals. They can set the clinic started and end times. They can also update or delete clinics. And after that, we move on to the Manage Doctors section. Admins can register new doctors. They can update doctors' details, change status, or delete doctors. Not only that, a doctor can also be assigned the specific clinics inside hospitals. In the Manage Users sections, admins can manage the patient's accounts. If necessary, they can remove the patients from the system. Queue management system, one of the most powerful administrative features in the queue management. Here's how is optimize the patient's flow. Admins first select the clinic and the date. All appointments for the day are then loaded. When the patients at the front of the queue enters the clinic, the admins click the next button. This triggers an automatic SMS notification, the Telio API to the next patient in the line, asking to get ready. From here, the doctor or admin can mark the appointments as complete, skip patients if they are not presented, or add records related to visit. This ensures a dynamic and responsive queue system, reducing clinics and improving efficiency. This makes the queue process smooth and efficient. In the report section, admins can generate reports for analysis. They selected the date range like and click apply. The system shows the appointment statistics in the graph. This helps in decision making and the resource planning. In the SMS sections, admins can check the status of SMS message sent. They can see whether the messages was delivered or failed. So in summary, my project MEDIQUEue is a complete system that supports both patient and the admins. For the backend, I use Springboard for the backend handles, user integrations, logging authentications, role-based access control, admin and patient dashboard. I secure application using Spring Security and JWT tokens, security implementations, and also Spring Security modules. I also use Spring Security to protect endpoints, only authenticate users can access their respective dashboards and perform actions. When a user login, the system generates a JWT token. This token contains the user's information and roles. Every upcoming request passes through the JWT filter. The filter extracts the tokens from the authentication header. If it a validate token, if valid, it sees the user's authentication is the security context. This ensures that only authenticated users can access protected the endpoints. Patients can register easily, manage their tokens, check medical records and the received notifications. Admins can manage hospitals, clinics, doctors, users, queues and the reports. This project reduces waiting time, improves the communication, make the hospital experience more organized. Thank you for your listening.